So if you're looking to use ChatGPT's free version or paid version to create content for your blog or for your website, and you're not too sure how to do it, here's some steps that I do almost on a daily basis to create content uh, at scale. And so I have the upgraded version of ChatGPT 4.0. You can have the free version as well. But my prompt is usually something around this. So, for example, if I'm using this for a tree service company, I'll say something like, "I'd like to create a blog post and ultimate guide on the topic here on tree removal costs in the state of Tennessee." That's my topic. Please use a friendly tone, be educational, conversational, and cite your sources. I always like to say cite your sources just to add some credibility to the post because who knows where they're getting the content from whenever AI is searching the internet. So I like to double check to make sure that it's from a reputable source. Sometimes I'll add on to it as well or update it. And then I'd also like to provide an informative table. This is kind of a new thing I've been doing because it'll make a nice little table. You'll see in a second. Um, Add to the blog post as well. Here are some of the top headings that many of the top ranked blog posts on this topics use. So I get a lot of my ideas from the top of the search results on Google. I Googled, this topic is about tree removal costs in Tennessee. So I found this website, treeremoval.com, that talks about tree removal costs in Chattanooga. And I want to look at, first off, what they're talking about. But second off, I like to see their H1s and H2s here. And so I use a tool called Ahrefs, extension Ahrefs toolbar, and it's free. So I click on that in Chrome, and I'll go down to content, and I can just copy all of the headings here. And so I'll start accumulating headings into a document or in my Gmail, and I'll use these as a source for AI to start looking at. So I'll copy and paste these into ChatGPT. Now it's writing a blog post or a guide. So we'll give this a couple minutes. So now you can see I have a pretty well written post. It's not there yet, but it's a good foundation. And as you can, in my opinion, some of these are very light. So I'm probably going to go back and ask this to elaborate on some of the additional cost factors. Maybe bulletize these whenever I put into the actual blog post. Add pictures, add links internally throughout the website that I'm posting this on. Also, if you're very literal or if you're not specific with the geographic targeting, some of the headers will have like a city in there. So you want to make sure this one's all about Tennessee, not just Chattanooga. So I want to make sure that ChatGPT talks about like the general pricing for all of Tennessee, not just Chattanooga. But overall, it's a good foundation. You can kind of see what we're working off of. And it made a little cool table here that you can just like literally copy and paste into your CMS or your blog post. And then it cited the sources down here at the bottom as well. So you want to double check these and make sure that they are legit and that they're good sources. But that's the foundation of how I write a quick blog post and get some ideas using the top search results on whatever topic that I wanted to write on. Thanks.